hair. Not weave. Hair. It's not natural. It's the creamy crack, y'all. But I love it. Because it's on me. This is what I want to wear. This is what I want